also allowing the wireless industry to roll out 5G, because 5G is not just for the purposes of getting you faster videos and being able to text and faster, et cetera. It costs the economy, the U.S. economy, $140 million per day that 5G is not rolled out. And this is going to be a continued situation if we don't resolve and put in a method to handle any possible interference issues with the aviation industry or other industries, because again, it has a wide range of effect, not only with regards to flying, but the general economy of the United States.
Wait, why does it cost so much for every day that it's not rolled out?
Because the wireless industry, the rollout of 5G is estimated to have a $2.5 trillion impact on the economy, basically by putting in more jobs, putting in infrastructure in the wireless infrastructure to facilitate the supply chain and other industry. So 5G is really the next wave of what's called the fourth industrial revolution. We're changing from a way by which we mine data, and that data provides us a lot of different ways to monetize that. And unless we have 5G, we don't have it available to be able to take advantage of that.